Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from Tesol Elementary School, and today I'm back with our another exciting science experiment video. So let's get started. We have already learned that carbon dioxide is a gas that helps to extinguish fire, right? We have already seen many fire extinguisher cylinders that contains carbon dioxide and which helps to put off the fire. Whenever we say there is a fire broke out, the fire extinguishers are used, which basically contains carbon dioxide, right? And vice versa, what? Oxygen is a gas that helps to burn. When there is no oxygen, the fire can be extinguished. Okay, so today we are going to examine that the lack of oxygen can put off the fire. So let's get started. For this, we will need a candle, a lighter to put on fire, and a glass to block the air or the oxygen. Okay, so at first we are going to put on fire. Everyone, can you see? Is there fire? Yeah! All right. Okay, now I will block the air around it with the help of a glass. Okay, so the fire put off. The fire is extinguished. Why? Because whenever I place that glass over this candle, there is inside the glass there is no air, there is no oxygen. So by the lack of oxygen, the fire got extinguished. Oxygen is important to burn, right? So we have already learned that oxygen is important to put on fire. Was it exciting?
Yeah!
Did you like it?
Yeah!
Okay, so we are going to come back with our another exciting science experiment video. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.